New construction offers abundant opportunities to real estate agents. Did you know in the current market, approximately 33% of active inventory is new construction? That's a huge number. In today's video, I'm sharing 8 ways real estate agents can make money with new construction. If you're a real estate agent looking to boost your income and expand your opportunities, this video is for you. If this is your first time to the channel and you're looking to grow your real estate business without ever making a cold call, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications so that you'll never miss a video. New construction is a fantastic source of business, and it's one that's often overlooked by real estate agents because they limit themselves to traditional resale homes. It's a very lucrative segment of the market, and today we're going to dive into how you can make money with new construction. And first up is building relationships with the builder sales reps. This is an absolute gold mine for your business. You want to form that bond with the sales reps and be bringing them resale clients, because what you can do over time is form that relationship with them, and you'll find that you're able to trade business back and forth. These sales reps have a lot of buyers who come in that also need to sell. The majority of buyers that are purchasing new construction also have a home to sell. And when you form that relationship with the builder's reps, they're going to think of you when it comes time to refer those buyers to a listing agent. It goes both ways. You need to reciprocate and also be sending them business, but make sure that you are nurturing those relationships with the local new build sales reps in your area. By doing so, you're not only expanding your network, but you're also building that relationship with the sales rep for future business. Next is work model homes with builders. And I would say this is probably the easiest way to break into new construction sales. There are going to be times where the sales reps simply aren't available to be at the model home, and you can volunteer up front to be the person they reach out to when they need some help. You then sit in the model home. You obviously have to know the products, so you want to study the inventory in the neighborhood and then be prepared when potential buyers come in to assist those buyers. This is a very lucrative way to gain business. I've even found sometimes I'll be at a model home after hours because I'm doing some research for a client, or maybe even with my client just driving through the neighborhood. And there are unrepresented buyers just wandering around the community because they're curious about it, but they came after hours. This is a really great way to not only provide value to the builder's sales rep and then build that relationship like we just spoke about, but it's also a great way to pick up business. Number 3 is listing spec homes. And spec homes are homes that are already under construction by the builder, but they're not under contract yet. And oftentimes builders are looking for savvy agents who can move that inventory quickly for them. And that leads me to number 4, which is listing homes that have had some type of contract fallout. In new construction, it's just like resale. Sometimes contracts fall apart, and then they've got that home already built. And in some cases, it is built, ready to go, ready to move in. It's a quick delivery home, and they're looking for an agent who can get that home off their books quickly. It's a great opportunity for you to demonstrate your experience and continue to solidify that relationship with the builder. Another way to make money in new construction is to list every single property that that builder has. Now, that's definitely leveling up, that's taking it up a notch, but this is a great source of income. If you can solidify that relationship with the builder and they trust you to list all of their inventory, not only will it get you multiple listings immediately, it also is this long-term view of an ongoing relationship with the builder. And this doesn't just have to be homes that they are building. You could also be sourcing lots for them so that you are involved in the entire process, start to finish. This is an excellent way to have multiple listings on a consistent basis. It's definitely not something that you are going to fall into overnight. That builder's going to have to trust you initially. But once that trust is built, you definitely want to go after all of that builder's inventory. Number 6 is selling the properties to your own buyers. As a real estate agent, chances are you have your own pool of buyers and your own book of business. So make it a priority to really drill down on what your buyer's needs are. And if it's a match for the community that you have a relationship with the builder on, you absolutely want to show them those homes. Whether the homes are built or not, obviously depending on your buyer's timeline, but make sure that you are sharing your buyers and making that introduction to the home builder that you're working with. It not only solidifies the trust that you're working on building, but it also pleases the builder because obviously if you're selling the homes that they're building, they're going to be inclined to continue to work with you. Next up is bring the builder land deals. Everything starts with land when it comes to building a home. So if you are feeding the builder land deals, you are continuing their cycle of business. And in turn, you're then going to ask to list the home after it's been constructed, or if they're doing homes that have options that clients can select from, then obviously you could list them pre-construction. But the goal is by sourcing land for the builder, you become this participant in the full circle of the transaction. Source the land, get the listing, and then be able to sell that home as well. This is a great way to secure your partnership with a builder. They always need land. They're always looking for land. So if you're the person that's sourcing that for them and bringing them those deals, they're more inclined to allow you to list their inventory. Number 8 is develop land with investors. So if you're ready for a very advanced approach, this is a great avenue to add to your business growth and of course your bottom line. But this definitely comes with some risk, so keep that in mind if you're thinking about using this approach. What you do is you are involved from start to finish, and you are a major player when you are developing your own land with other investors. This could be, one by one in terms of tearing a house down and then building another house, or it could be even a larger project in the form of a development or maybe something that's multifamily. There's a lot of ways to go about this, and again, it's a very advanced approach, but it gives you total control of the process and in turn, of course, adds a lot more to your bottom line. There you have it, 8 fantastic ways real estate agents can boost their income by working new construction. Whether you are a brand new agent or a seasoned pro, exploring these opportunities can really boost your income and grow your business. Just remember, in this competitive market that we're in, extremely competitive market, thinking outside the box and working new construction can really set you apart from the rest. It's a great opportunity within the market to add to your income. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, until I see you on the next one, take care.